Hey, did you know that foods are both warming and cooling? That foods have historically been utilized by practitioners of traditional Chinese medicine and other ancient healing methods to help balance the body, to prevent and treat dis-ease. Now, these wise doctors recognize that the energy contained in what we eat is not just a matter of calories and carbohydrates and lipids and proteins, but also it has to do with the temperature, because each type of food has its unique properties. Yep, that's right. Temperature must be considered by traditional Chinese medicine practitioners when it comes to health issues. Now, we rarely think of physical problems having hot or cold properties in allopathic treatments, but it is the opposite in Oriental health practices. That is a fact. Now, when certain foods are prescribed to help with a given illness, our body can restore itself and it can keep our internal organs harmonized. This is a practice that's been, taught throughout the ages. Warming meals are yang, which the Chinese portray as mountain warms the sunny side. Now, this means that they have a drying effect and they aid to boost the body's energy by increasing circulation and by bringing heat to the organs, the blood, and even the cellular structure. Now, things like cold fingers and toes, diarrhea due to a cold body, stomach ache after eating or drinking, cold meals and beverages, the feeling of bloatingness and discomfort, achy joints, retaining fluid, things like energy deficiency, all indicate the need for warmer foods. Now, if you have any of these symptoms, it would be wise to include foods like cabbage, kale greens with mustard flavor, onions, garlic, pumpkin, even things like winter squash, parsnip, leeks, chives, scallions, and cherries and nectarines in your diet on a regular basis, especially in the winter times. Other warming foods are things like butter made with coconut, avocado, cooked or dried fruits, oats, seeds, and nuts, mostly meats including chicken and lamb and chocolate even, soybean oil, dried ginger, basil, and rosemary, cayenne peppers warming, cinnamon, and cloves are also recommended. Now, root vegetables and leafy greens, aduki and black beans, buckwheat, oats, quinoa, winter squash, pumpkin, walnuts are foods high on the list. Fruits that are eaten can be cooked with things like warming spices, like cinnamon and cardamom, for example. And one more tip, prepare foods with warming herbs and spices like garlic and onion and ginger, cumin, parsley, and even basil. Now, you can learn how to create a wellness practice on demand so that you can do what you love without sacrificing your health. It's the number one secret to living a long-lasting life, and it's guaranteed to help you feel your best without feeling like a failure and without all that yo-yo dieting. Hi, my name is Dr. Antonika Chanel, and I have dedicated 12 years of my life learning about all of the details of traditional Chinese medicine. Now, this is a lifelong practice, and when you like and subscribe to my channel, it helps me get the message out. Now, traditional Chinese medicine is the fastest growing movement in healthcare today. However, only 5% of the population are individuals who have dedicated themselves to the study and the practice of acupuncture, herbal formulas, food therapy, exercise therapy, and massage therapy, which are the 5 branches of traditional Chinese medicine. So I would love for you to like and share this video and to check out my 14-day cleanse challenge. This is an opportunity for you to really take your health to the next level and to have a program on demand with a coach that is sharing with you and telling you how to create and instill those lifelong practices that are going to help you get your life back, get your health back, and to live the life that you love so you can keep doing the things that you love doing.